Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to license your AirMagnet software. Please note that you will need to have completed installation of your AirMagnet software and have an active internet connection to download your license. Launch your AirMagnet software. In our example, we are using AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro. A dialog message will appear stating that no license has been found. Click OK. You can download your license from the internet, or if you already have a license file, you can load a locally stored license file. We'll focus on downloading a file. Click Next. Your license can be tied either to an adapter or to your laptop. The licensing process is the same for either. Choose your preferred option and click Next. Locate your software serial number you used to register your product. This can be found in a plastic envelope if you purchased a box product, or in your confirmation email if you purchase electronically. If the serial number begins with an S, this is a product support serial number and not your product serial number. Enter your serial number into the form provided along with your serial key. Your serial key information can be found with your serial number. The MAC address for the device you are selecting to license will be displayed here. Click Next. A dialog box will appear to let you know that the license is downloading. You may be prompted for your product support serial number. If you have this information, provide it here. Product support activation can be verified in your AirMagnet account if necessary. Your AirMagnet software is now licensed and ready for use. Thank you for watching this video.